culinary journey begins on the streets of Jakarta. First up is the city's most famous dish, soto betawi. This delicious beef soup is eaten with rice, and of course, some sambal. There's great street food all over the big durian both day and night. Pull up a plastic stool and dig into a plate of crispy bebek goreng. If you'd rather enjoy some air conditioning, head to one of the city's countless mega malls and find the food court. You've got plenty of options here to sample cuisines from all over the world. Try an interesting take on Japanese, where you can have sushi alongside a burger with buns made of fried ramen noodles. No night out would be complete without some more delicious street food. Order up a bowl of noodles and make sure you try some nasi gila, crazy rice, another Jakarta specialty. Who knows, you might just feel like going a little crazy and joining the street performers. You know it's time to wind down the night when a GNR sing-along starts up. In Bandung and just about every city in Indonesia, you can find masakan Padang. This food from Sumatra is incredibly popular. Load your plate with some rendang sapi and pair it with a bunch of other dishes. Another favorite in Bandung is siomai. These yummy fish dumplings are covered in a peanut sauce and usually served with boiled eggs and vegetables. Save some room for dessert if you can. For a quick and easy snack, it's hard to beat sate ayam dan kambing. Add a little sambal and you're good to go. In the cultural and educational hub of Yogyakarta, there are tons of delicious things being cooked up. While you're here, you've got to try the local specialty of gudeg, a young jackfruit stew.